Hi Byron, Alma here. I spoke with James a few days ago regarding this video on how you guys can get more customers, and he thought it would be something you would like to see. So let's get started. I want to talk about three things. I want to talk about content, backlinks, and citations. What is content? Content are all the words and pictures you have on your main page. I also have you here side by side with two of your competitors. We have Waterworks and we have Curtis. Let's look up how many words you have on your main page. You have about 1,400. Waterworks has about 500, and Curtis has about 200 words on their main page. Now, another important part of the content are the images. For example, pictures need to be saved as keywords. This image here, if I right click to save it as, it doesn't show me that is saved under a keyword. It needs to be a phrase that will help your potential customers find you when they are looking for the services that you offer. For example, Canoga Park plumbing services, Canoga Park, etc. Now, the second thing I like to talk about are backlinks. And for that, I have a tool I like to use called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool that I like to use. You can also use it yourself. It's about $300 a month. But I love using this tool because it gives me information behind the scenes regarding your site. So these are your numbers. Backlinks are here. What are backlinks? Backlinks is having a link from a page on your website to another website, linking back to you. And they are important because they help with the following three things. They help you with ranking. They help search engines discover your content faster if you get backlinks from popular pages. And they also help you with referral traffic. Backlinks exist to point people to useful resources. That is why they are clickable. When someone clicks on a link to your website, you get referral traffic. Backlinks are also called link juice, which is a term used to measure the amount of power that you get from another site. The amount of power that a website passes on to you, strengthening. This is where it reflects the power that the backlinks give you. In this case, you have 158 and it's giving you some power, but not a lot. Let's look at your competitors. They have all these, but they're not doing much to them because they're not all made equal. Not all backlinks are made equal. Some backlinks do not pass the link juice onto your site. Those are called no-follow. The no-follow links are not endorsed by the original author or publisher of the page. They don't count as a point on the page's favor, and they do not boost page ranking. That's why some people may have a lot, like in the case of Waterworks. If you can see down here, they have all of those, 810, but only 174 are do follow. The no follow, the ones that do not pass the link juice, are more than the ones that do. And now let's look at Curtis. They have over 5,700. They have high power because if you see here, most of theirs are do follow. Only a few are no follow. Now look at yours. You have 158. But only a few of them are do follow. Most of them are no follow, meaning they're not passing the link juice onto your site to give you that power. And now let's talk about citations. What are citations? A citation is having your business name, address, and phone number listed in as many local online directories as possible. Citations lend credibility to your business and they help you impact your ranking. And it reflects here. They impact your trust. Citations impact your trust. And let's see what Waterworks has. 76, and they're giving it more trust than yours. And Curtis, 45, and not a lot. Now let's go back to yours. And let's notice the traffic that you're getting. You're getting about average about 49. About 77 for Waterworks. And only 3 for Curtis. So to summarize, I recommend getting more content for your web page, saving your images under the right keywords, getting more backlinks from authoritative websites so that they can pass on the link juice to you, getting more citations, meaning having your business name, address, and phone number in as many online directories as possible. These are some of the things that you can implement yourself to help you get more customers and increase your revenue, but I am also here to help. I hope that I've been able to provide you with some valuable information, and I will really appreciate your feedback on this video. Thank you so much for your time, and I can be reached at 661-406-0608. Thank you.